Hello everyone, my name is Richard. I live in Ormond Beach, Florida. In 2016, I came to Rancho Palos Verdes to help rebuild a restaurant there that was near the Port of Los Angeles and the Port of Long Beach, just a few miles north of the Trump National Golf Course. Very nice place. But anyway, while I was there, I realized I had to register to vote because I was not registered in the state of California. And I did so and ended up voting at the office in Rancho Palos Verdes. I got there at 6 o'clock in the morning because that's when they opened, and I had to be to work shortly after. So I went in and voted for president, but I did not vote for any of the downvotes because was only there for about a month prior or 2 months prior, and didn't know anything about the local politics. So I just voted for president, and then I left. When I left, they gave me a receipt for voting, which was for the county of Los Angeles, and I was the first person to vote in the county of Los Angeles. So when I walked out, there was a long line, and I told everybody, Trump is ahead, Trump's winning, which was 1-0, but anyway. So shortly after that, or quite a while after that, in 2021, I wrote President Trump a letter urging him to run for office again. It didn't take long to realize that we were in trouble with the other administration. But anyway, I'm sure thousands of people told him the same thing. But anyway, I've been trying to support him ever since. The only other thing I've done to support him is I've invested in the new coin, TrumpyDance coin. The administration of the coin has pledged many, many millions of dollars to complete the wall on the Mexican border, trying to stop illegal immigration. So please join me in continuing to support President Trump and the TrumpyDance coin, which will help raise money, and it'd be a good investment besides. So thank you very much for listening to me, and we'll talk again soon, I hope. Have a good day.